friends, in this tutorial we will learn about company control panel system and particularly MSA module. So first we'll log in with the valid user ID and password. Then we'll go to the MSA module. We'll select the MSA module. So today we'll particularly know or learn about how to perform the basic graphs which we have to show in MSA audit. So these are the required formats during the MSA audits. So today we'll learn how to maintain the production quantity or quality objectives regarding the production quantity. So we'll go to the company management, then we'll select the performance improvement, and then we'll select the production quantity. Now we'll select the production quantity, then we'll get this window. In this module, we have the two features. First, we have to enter the data manually, or we can directly fetch the data from the FG quantity. So, I'll show you how to do that. If we want to add the data manually, then we'll click on the add new data. We'll select the month and year. We'll select the target value, which is about 100 approx. Then we'll select the assembly battery cable production during that month. So let's assume it is, yeah, it is about 95, sorry, 85, and the earth cable is about 5, and the sum of all the data is equals to 90. If you have any remarks, then you can write it and then we'll just create. Now friends, we can just see that there is the graph for the July. If you want to create same for the October month, then we click on the October month. We'll select the data, suppose 70, and the article is equals to 10. Total value is 80, and then we'll create. Similarly, now you can see there is a graph regarding that. Or if you want to fetch the data or synchronize data from the production quantity, then just we'll select the declaration. We have to select the year and month, and you have to create the auto synchronize for the selected year and month. Then we'll get the data. For example, just I'm showing for the month of September. So for the month of September, it is auto synchronized. It is auto synchronized. We don't have entered any target, so the blue graph represents the target, and the pink one is the assembly battery cable quantity in thousands, and the black one is the earth cable, and the yellow one is sorry, the orange one is the total production quantity. And similarly, we can do the same operation for the financial year wise. If you want to enter the data manually, then we have to select the financial year and put all the required inputs. Then we have to create. And if you want to fetch the data or auto synchronize for the selected financial year, then we'll just select the declaration and have to click the auto synchronize. The data has been auto synchronized. Now you can see it. The data is auto synchronized. Thank you. For more videos and more tutorial, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you, friends.